See, I have consciously kept quiet on this issue. You know, I have a lot of reverence for St. Francis Xavier. For me, he is Goencho Saib. But why did I not comment all these days? And I don't want to comment because when I look from a different perspective, this is a well-planned conspiracy. We have to see what could be the reason when there are so many problems in the state and across the country. Inflation, unemployment, lokang jong na, lokang job na, youth are there in lakhs, educated, parents have taken loan for the education, there are no job opportunities. Why this controversy is being brought? Who is behind this? So I have been trying to find out what is the reason that such things are being brought to put a division in the society among people, especially Goya amche akke sansarak famad. People of different religions have always lived together. They have celebrated each other's festivals. They have respected each other's religion. And why this is being brought now? So, in this particular timing, could it be that something else is being planned? Something bigger conspiracy is about to be unfolded? So to divert the attention, or this could be a trigger, this could be that thing just before the cyclone hits. Who are behind this? Why is the government quiet? Why is the chief minister quiet? So there is something behind this. I would advise the people ignore, but remain alert. Remain alert. Because this is a pattern what we are saying, whether in UP, whether in Maharashtra, Karnataka, all these things is unfolding. I would request the people, remain alert, ignore such attempts of putting a division among the people. Maybe once this issue is over, when we look back, when we do the post-mortem, we would come to know, Are amka photo ile mare. Actual reason was this, and this is how this issue was brought to divert the attention of the people, and it will be too late. So let's remain alert.
Captain, do you feel pan-India level? Do you feel, or is it pertaining to Goa only?
No, this is being done at the same time pan-India. Why Goa is being chosen? Probably Goa has always been a symbol of unity. This is one state where people have always cut across religious lines, across faith, have remained united. And maybe some orders have come from top. Start from Goa. Why can't you divide the people? I have a bigger plan to do damage in India, so start from. This could be the idea behind all this. They will send agents. Some agents were sent during elections to divide votes in the south. Those agents are quite given rest. Now other agents are being brought. So I feel there are bigger issues, bigger problems in Goa. Let us sit and try to solve those problems instead of diverting the attention of the people.
Captain, another question is that, see, after this controversy sparked up, Catholic community, minority community, this MLAs and many prominent people have come out in open and criticize about these statements about the Goencho Saib controversy and all. Okay, so why do you think must be the possible reasons why this thing majoritarian politician or Hindu dominated people are not coming out and commenting on this controversy?
That itself answers your question, because a few politicians have gone to complain. Have they been advised? You complain, Ami ye controversy kartha. This is also a resurrection for you, for your political career. Let us keep the pot boiling. But 99.99% of the people have understood that this is a conspiracy, and they are not taking part in this. These are attempts of divisive minds, which we as Goenkars should reject.
What would be your